For warranty claims, Owens Corning Roofing asks for specific types of photos to be taken. These photos help us better understand the structure, installation methods, and the issue being reported. Before reviewing the types of photos needed for a claim, Owens Corning recommends you have a roofing professional assist you with getting the required photos, as many of them need to be taken on the roof or require removal of shingles. Roofing professionals can be found via the Find a Contractor button on owenscorning.com/roofing. Here are the different types of photos that we collect. Front and back of structure, wide angle of all affected slopes, close-up of all affected areas, intake and exhaust ventilation, 2 shingle samples and release tape, and fasteners. A lack of sufficient clear photos will delay the processing of your claim. Please ensure the issue you are reporting is clearly visible in the submitted photos. The higher the resolution, the better. Digital JPEG photos are preferred. Please be mindful that the time of day, shadows, weather, and moisture can impact the quality of the photo. If you can't see the issue, we can't see it either. First, we ask for full-view photographs of the front and back of the structure taken from ground level. These photos show us the shape and complexity of your roof, along with the number of slopes the roof has. Here is a good example of a front and back structure photo. Here is an unclear photo of each. In comparison, the entire front and back of the structure is visible, with no obstruction such as trees, vehicles, or fences. Next is wide-angle photos. A wide-angle photo should be taken of every slope that is affected by the issue. Here is a good wide-angle photo. This includes a reference point to help identify which slope it is. Examples of reference points include stack pipes, typically found on the back slope, a portion of the driveway, street, backyard, or neighbor's house. These reference points, along with the structure photos, can help our lab to identify what slope is being shown. Here is an unclear wide-angle photo. Comparing the two, the unclear photo has no reference points. Close-up photos should be taken from the roof and clearly show the issue. Photos should be taken of all the affected areas. Here is an unclear close-up photo. Comparing the two, the unclear photo is blurry, making it hard to see the issue on the shingles. Ensure your camera is properly focused on the issue before taking the picture. The intake vents are usually located under eaves or lower outside edge of the roof. Types of intake vents include soffit vents, gable vents, or vents on the lower roof blending into the roofline. If you have no intake ventilation, please inform your claim representative. Exhaust vents are located near the top of the roof. Types of exhaust vents include ridge vents, box vents, or gable vents. Good photographs will clearly show all the exhaust vents. This can be one or many photos. Shingle sample photos will involve the removal of 2 full-size shingles that clearly show the issue being reported. We will need photos showing the full front of each shingle, the entire back of each shingle, and a close-up of the release tape. The release tape is located at the top edge of the shingle. This could be on the front or back. Make sure any writing on the release tape is visible in the photo. Remember to replace any shingles that you remove with new shingles. Failure to do so could result in damage to the roof and interior of the structure. Fasteners are most often nails, but in some cases can be staples. Photos should show the full length of the shingle being lifted and placement of all fasteners. There's no need to bend or crease the shingle to take the photo. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding the types of photos needed for a claim. If you find yourself with more questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to call the toll-free number 1-800-ROOFING or email us at ocqs@owenscorning.com.